Itong donuts na to, lagi lumalabas sa feed ko. Tatuts Donuts. Ang tagal ko nang gustong tikman to pero hindi ako nagkaka-chance pumunta ng Pasay. Buti na lang I found out meron pala silang branch sa Kaiko Street, Manila near UST lang. We got the half dozen, 2 classic bites, 2 craft flavors, and 2 artisan bites. What I like about Tatuts is marami silang kakaibang flavors. I love their creative take on flavors, yung tipong sa Tatuts mo lang matitikman kaya babalik-balikan mo talaga. Every donut is freshly made. Pagka-order mo, doon nila gagawin talaga yung donut isa-isa. Carefully and meticulously prepared kaya naman yung quality superb. Siyempre, amos ng coffee kapag kakain ka ng donuts para sa akin. Kaya I also ordered one of the bestsellers, Barista Bliss Iced Coffee. Can I just say, I love the pink packaging. For the classic, we tried the White Almond and Rocky Road. For the craft flavors, Dark Biscoff and Matcha Oreo. For the artisan naman, Biscoff Latte and Floss and Cream. I love Biscoff kaya ang tirinay ko sa store is their Biscoff Latte. The donut itself is very soft and fluffy. Overall sweetness, tamang-tama lang. Not as sweet as the other donuts I've tried. Kahit yung glaze niya, tamang-tama yung lasa for me. Ito naman, dark chocolate Biscoff, may dark chocolate sauce topped with crushed Biscoff. Bagay na bagay to sa kape. Balanse yung bitterness ng dark chocolate and sweetness. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Okay sa akin yung tapang ng coffee nila na damihan lang sa milk foam si hubby. In fairness, nagustuhan ko tong floss and cream nila. Tamis alat combination, I love it. My most favorite, it's hard to choose pero top 3 ko is the Biscoff Latte, the Rocky Road, and the floss and cream. Manifesting a branch near Mandaluyong, please!